In this video, I will be sharing with you the simple trick to achieve bouncy twist or loose twist. Let's go. So guys, I started filming this when I was halfway done with the hair. So the first thing you'll be needing is liquid water. For me, I used my fresh hibiscus juice as my liquid. So I'll be sharing the video very soon, so anticipate. After spritzing my hair with the water, I went on to use my leave-in conditioner to soften my hair, and then I went on to use my oil and finally shea butter. So the major trick is for your hair to be moisturized. Make sure your hair is moisturized. That is the first trick. So after moisturizing, go on to comb your hair and make sure it is soft. Now the next thing I do is braid the roots of the hair. So I go on to first braid the roots, since I'll be carrying this protective file for a long time. So after braiding the root of the hair, I split 3 strands of hair into 2. Now listen attentively. This is the second trick. The way you're going to twist the hair, you're not going to fold one strand before overlapping. Now, if you notice from what you're seeing, I'm twisting from the left to the right. That is actually because the camera is facing me. I'm using my selfie camera. So actually what I did was twist from the right to the left. Guys, look at how bouncy it is. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh! Look at that. Oh my god, so beautiful. Look at how bouncy. Like when you stretch it and release it, it's gonna bounce. Alright, so remember that you have to moisturize. After moisturizing, braid the roots. After braiding the roots, split the 3 different strands of hair into 2 and start twisting. Remember, you're not going to fold one strand before overlapping. You're going to smoothen it, like you will leave it. That is why it will bounce, because you're not folding it. All right, I really do hope you get it. You're not going to fold one strand before overlapping it to the other strand. You're going to just take it, you're going to just take it and keep twisting like that. That is the hack, guys. When you do it this way, your twist is gonna bounce like mine. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to watch and enjoy. So guys, at this point I just had to trim. I know it's not a professional trim, but I just had to get rid of that split end I felt. So guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, so bouncy, so juicy, so beautiful, giving everything. Look at that bounce, and the fullness. That is one thing about loose twist or bouncy twist. It is always usually full. I just had to show you guys this bounciness again, because geez, it's giving too much. Look at how bouncy it is, so you guys can know that this hack actually works. So when I was done, I had to do a quick style. So guys, if you want a tutorial, I have a tutorial that I did on loose twist, how to style your hair in different twists. So I'm going to link it in the description. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Seriously, I can't help but flaunt my hair because I love how fluffy and how bouncy it is. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. So I'd like you to share in the comment section if you will be trying that very soon. I will be rocking this particular protective style for the next 4 to 6 weeks. So, and I will be sharing with you on the channel how I maintain it, how I wash my hair in twist, my hair on my wash day, and everything you need to know. So I'll see you in another video. And please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and just comment to help the algorithm know that this content is really, really valuable. So I'll catch you in another video. Bye.